Hello, Holy Cross. This is Mrs. King. I have a science experiment for you to try. You may have done this one before, or you may have seen it in school, but I thought it would be fun to try it while you're at home right now. You probably have these ingredients. So the first thing I have is vinegar. I also have baking soda, and I have a bottle. If you have a water bottle or a soda bottle, that works great. I didn't have one, so I found a vase that I had with a small opening at the top. And you also need a balloon if you have a balloon, and a measuring cup. If you have a funnel, you want to get that. I don't have one, so this should still work, and a spoon. So the first thing we need to do is pour our vinegar into our measuring cup. We need half a cup. All right, and we're going to pour this into our bottle. You can smell it before you pour it. It has a very strong smell that you might recognize. Sometimes if you color Easter eggs, you might smell this same fragrance from the vinegar. All right, we have half a cup in here of the vinegar. Now, if you have a funnel, it's a good time to use that and put it with your balloon. I don't have one, so I'm gonna try it with the spoon and hopefully it'll work and we'll fit it in there. You're gonna take your baking soda and take a few spoonfuls of it. Let's see if we can do this. Have to stretch it a little bit. Might need an assistant to help you. All right, there's one. And two, that's probably good. All right, so you have your baking soda now inside your balloon. All right, make sure there's no lumps in there. And then you are going to put your balloon over the top of the water bottle. And you want to do this carefully without dropping any of the baking soda, okay? Now, start thinking about what might happen if we were to pour all of this baking soda in here. Do you think anything would happen? Any changes might occur? Well, you can pause it if you want to think about it and talk about it with your family, or you can just keep playing and we'll see what happens. All right, on the count of three, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! It worked! It's still growing, it's still expanding. We're gonna talk about what just happened. Hopefully you can see what's happening in here and up in here in the balloon as well. Oh, you can see I have a little face on mine. And so if you want to hit pause right now, you can, and you can talk with your family about what might have just happened. And then when you're ready, you can push play and we'll talk about it a little bit more. All right, so what happened is there was a chemical reaction with the vinegar and the baking soda. And when that happened, it formed a gas called carbon dioxide. And that carbon dioxide releases all those little bubbles in the gas, and that's what fills up the top of the jar and goes all the way into a balloon. And the balloon is what caught all of that gas. So that's how that balloon was filled up. All right, well, I hope you had fun with this and hope you're able to try this at home as well. And hope you're all doing well, keeping safe, and we really miss all of our friends at Holy Cross. All right, bye for now.